Hello folks, Jethro coming to you live from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. I'm standing beside this beautiful brand new 2025 Ram 1500 Warlock. It's got the Hurricane engine under the hood, the Warlock front end with the steel bumper, blacked out grille, really nice. It's got the Warlock rims with the Wrangler Goodyear tires. They are 18-inch rims. You got the blacked out mirrors, blacked out handles. Open this up here. You got the 40-20-40 split bench seat. Lots of room in the dash. You got the 8.4-inch screen in there. Front and rear park assist, which is awesome. Really nice floor mats in this one. You got the rubber molded floor mats to come with this one. Underneath there, you got both sides with the Ram bin on both sides. So you can put lots of storage under there and lots of storage under the back seat as well. This is a 5'7" box. It's got the Warlock rear bumper, which is a black steel bumper as well. Dual tip chrome exhaust, trailering package with a 4- and 7-way hookup, backup camera, and it has the sliding rear window as well. Nice Warlock badging on the side of the truck. I like it. It looks really good. Then we're going to go in here, and then you got the driver's seat, manual seat. You got the storage. Hidden storage under the third row in the third seat there. It pops up. You can hide stuff under there, which I think is awesome. Hands-free talking, cruise control. You got adaptive cruise in this one as well. 23 kilometers, built-in trailering brake. What else we got here? Power windows, power locks, automatic headlights. Really very nice. If this is something you're looking for or anything, come on down to Redwater Dodge or give me a call. I'm Jethro, 780-942-3629. Check us out online.